Hello, my name is Samir Patania, and in this video, I will demonstrate my solution for task 1 of the AI First CRM assignment. The objective of this task is to conceptualize and outline an AI First customer relationship management system with a specific focus on the healthcare professional or HCP module. I approach this task from the mindset of a life science field representative where interactions need to be logged quickly, accurately, and in a compliant manner as asked in the assignment. Now I will tell you what I built. The core functionality I was asked to design is the log interaction screen. This screen must allow users to log HCP, that is healthcare professional interactions, in two flexible ways: through a structured form and through a conversational chat interface. This ensures that a field representatives can either manually enter data or simply describe an interaction in natural language. Now I will go further and show you my GitHub account where I made this project. So as you can see, AI first CRM HCP is my project, and these are the important files that I have uploaded. As I scroll down, I will explain you about the README file. The README file says it is the AI first CRM HCP interaction module and the front end. The overview says that this repository that I have made contains front-end application, as I spoke earlier, or an AI-first CRM system designed to log, manage, and analyze healthcare professionals' interaction, that is the HCP interactions. The front end provides a structured interaction logging form, AI-powered assistant for natural language input, automatic form and form using AI, and a clean professional dashboard UI that we'll discuss later on. It is built with the React and White and communicates with the backend via standard REST APIs. So objectives are clearly mentioned. The front end demonstrates the human-friendly interaction logging, AI-assisted workflows, clear separation of UI, logic, and API layers, and the seamless integration with an AI-powered backend, that is the LangGraph and the FastAPI. The key features are HCP name, interactions, date and time, attendees, topic discussed, product, and summary notes. Then we have AI assistant panel. AI parses the description, relevant fields autofilled in the form, and reduces manual data entry. Then we have the dual input mode, the form mode, and then there is AI mode, and then there's a clean dashboard UI. It's a card-based layout. And the last is the AI assistant that gives the structured data in this format. Now I will explain you the tech stack in the README file that I told you in some as required by the assignment. I'll give you a brief about that. First is the front end, React UI with the Redux for state management, backend for Python with a fast API, AI agent framework, there's the LangGraph, then LLM provider Groq using Gamma 2 and Llama variants. And then we have the database that the SQL based using MySQL or Postgres SQL. This system is designed to be AI first, meaning AI assists the user at every stage instead of being an optional add-on. Now, as I move further, I will show you and open you my VS Code, that is the front end project. So as you can see, this is my front end project, and these are the folders that I have made here. You can see main, publics, SRC, source code, app, JS store, components. Under interaction, we have AI chat, JS, and JSX chat assistant, interaction form, interaction list, interaction slides, and for services, app CSS, app JS, index CS, main, Gitinog, and further, DB JSON, and all that. Now we'll move further. Now I will tell you just brief. As you can see on the screen, this is the VS Code and the project, and this repository basically contains the front-end React code, the back-end Fast API code, the LangGraph tools and agent logic, and a Cloab notebook for AI experimentation. So I will briefly scroll the folders as I have scrolled and shown you. These are the folders that I have created. Now, The most important is the backend. I will show you the backend part of this project. So I'll first start the backend server using FastAPI. So as I open the terminal, yes, yes, now it has started. As you can see, yes, now it is working. As you can see, the backend is working. As you can now, I'll show you. As you can see in the screen, the backend is working, is running properly. The Fast API basically automatically provides a Swagger UI for API testing. Now I will show you the Swagger part. So as you can see, this is the AI first CRM Swagger. This Swagger UI generated by Fast API. As you can see, we can also see the backend endpoints, the get, the post, the get interaction, the post interaction, and the interaction chat. As you can see, so this clearly shows that Swagger shows all endpoints as required. Now, as we move further, I will show you the front end part. Front end part, that is the front end React application. So I open the new terminal. So as you can see, the front end is running on localhost 5173, which is the default white development port. As you can see, I'll follow this link. So this is the log interaction screen. The screen on the left, we have the structured form. As you can see, this is a structured form. Log HCP interaction. It contains HCP name, the interaction type, meeting, date, time, attendees, topic discussed, product, material, and summary notes. This structure basically reflects the real world CRM system used in life sciences industries. Now I'm going to demonstrate it with the AI chat panel. As you can see, I'm typing it. So as you can see, it has automatically filled into this summary notes and discuss string and into its former place in the form. So another I will explain you. Um, um, so as you can see, Dr. Smith, meeting and cardiology meeting. So it has automatically gone into the form. Basically, this AI passes this input and auto fills the structured form, reducing the manual effort. Basically, it automates the process, as you can see. Now, I will show you the LangGraph files in the VS Code. Basically, the AI logic is managed using LangGraph, which allow us to model workflows as graph-based agents. Basically, the role of LangGraph is nothing to manage the agent state, routes, requests between tools, and ensure that explainable AI workflows properly. We have 5 tools clearly, as you can see. Log interaction tools. Basically, log interaction tool is the that captures the interaction data and uses the LLM for summarization and entity extraction. Then we have the edit interaction tool. Basically, it modifies the logged interactions, which is a critical for corrections and compliance. Then we have the summarization tool. It condenses the log interaction notes into concise summaries. Then we have the compliance check tool that ensures interactions follow life sciences regulatory guidelines. And the last, fifth one is the follow-up recommendation tool that suggests next actions for sales representatives. So you can see this is the interaction form. Then interaction list in slice. And then I will show you the backend part, the main, as you can see here, interaction, you can see here. Now, I will show you the collab notebook, that AI experimentation that I have done. Now, so this is my collab notebook, and this is the project that I have created. And these are the certain libraries that I have imported in order to run this collab notebook successfully. So as I scroll down, you can see these are the libraries I have here. You can see these are the backend part, the base, the fast API. This is the LangGraph agent. This is the log interaction. You can see HCP name, specialty, product, summary, and sentiment. Then we have interaction, summarize, interaction, follow-up recommendation, and the client compliance check tool. And as we go down, you can see I have connected with the database. Everything is now you can see that database import base, every import is successful. I have connected with the Groq Llama 3.3 70B versatile model. So this is the response. As you can see, the backend part, it is summarized. It's this sales interaction. So as you can see, the Grok has given a good response. Here is the summary for the sales interaction. He's given a this response. Now the second part is the implementation of LangGraph. As you can see, I've implemented the LangGraph. I have installed the package, reloaded properly. As you can see. Then this is the backend agent graph. As you can see, this is the MET Dr. Sharma cardiologist discussed hypertension drug. He was interested. So as you can see, it has given a user input proper successfully. Then we have the fast API, the most important part. See, and I'll tell you this, since I am working in this notebook environment, I validated my fast API endpoints using fast API test client, which allows us to allow end-to-end API testing without running a live server. So as you can see, this is my collab notebook. This clearly demonstrates my state graph usage, tool orchestration, and LLM drive reasoning. This experiment guided the first backend implementation, as you can see. So from this task, I have learned that AI first CRM differs from traditional CRMs. That is for sure. As you can see from the project, AI acts as a co-pilot for field representatives by handling summarization, compliance, and follow-ups. LangGraph enables structured, transparent AI workflows, which is especially important in regulated industries like life sciences. So, this concludes my demonstration of the AI first CRM HCP module. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.